What are you doing?
What you do?
Is it candy? What are you watching, baby? What are you watching? You looking at John? You want to sit down? Say hi, Nena.
Cheese.
What do you want? Cheese? This is not a camera. Yeah, it's a video. What are you watching?
Cheese.
Cheese? You're saying cheese? Are you watching TV?
Cheese.
You watching Cars? Are you eating candy? Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Mama.
How are you? What is your name? Tell her your name. Say, my name is Gage. Say.
My name is Karen.
All right. Good boy. Are you dancing? Whoa, look at those moves. Who is the cutest baby ever? Uh-oh, what happened? Are you watching Cars? Show.
You got some candy. All right.
Show to Mimi.
Let me see. What do you have?
Candy.
Let me see.
It's a lollipop.
Candy.
You got
Candy.
candy?
He cleaned his nose with the shirt like that. Are you marching?
Gage?
What?
Gage, how old are you?
Come on.
Gage, go like this. Look at, go 2. Come here. I'm afraid of that sucker.
I know. Not running.
No running, baby. No running. Let me see 2. Here, pause it.
Wait.